Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a bee hang tag. This is also available as a craft kit in a limited quantity in my shop. You'll get everything that you see here that I'm showing now to make this bee kit. Everything will be included except for the paint, the Mod Podge, and the hot glue. So you'll get all of these pieces to be able to make this hang tag. So the first thing we're going to do is paint our tag black. Then I'm going to paint the half bead black. And this is just black acrylic paint. One of the regular beads is also going to be painted black. I am going to paint the half pot black. And the other beads are going to be painted yellow. So I'm going to paint those two beads yellow. One of the beads black, the half beads black, the tag is black, and then the split pot is also going to be black. And this is just a wooden split pot. Now that everything is painted, I'm going to take the split pot, and it's just, like I said, a wooden split pot, and I'm going to add 2 yellow stripes to that. And I'm just, again, using the yellow acrylic paint. I think it's called Antique Gold or King's Gold, one of the two. It's up to you what color you want it. They're a little bit different in color, but not completely different. I wanted to make sure I got 2 pretty even lines. They don't have to be perfect. And then I ended up just dabbing some on the bottom of the pot also. And you could also do more than 2 stripes. That's totally up to you. So now that that is all painted, I am going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to add it to my tag. And then I'm going to add that buffalo check paper to that. You will get this buffalo check paper in your kit also, just a small square, enough to cover the wooden tag. Once I have that on, I'm going to sand off the excess. And then re-poke my hole through the top. Next, I'm going to take that little half pot and I'm going to hot glue that to the bottom of my tag. Right in the center of it. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to add the wings. So I'm just going to hot glue those wings on. You'll get 4 wings. And then I'm going to take and add the wire antenna. And you'll get these also. And I'm just going to add those right on top of the wings. I just kind of dip them in the hot glue that was dripping out from my glue gun. I'll lay those right on top of the wings. Then I'm going to take that black wooden half bead and I'm going to hot glue that right to the center of the wings and the antenna. Let's add some glue and pop that right in the center. And how cute is this already? Next, I'm going to take some twine and I'm going to add the hanger. So I'm just going to run a piece of twine through the tag, pull it, and I'm going to kind of leave it long. And now I'm going to add my beads. I'm going to add a yellow one, then a black one, and then I'll add my final yellow bead. I always paint my beads on the paintbrushes because it just makes it so much easier. I stack them right on the handle and then just pop them off when I need them. If you're doing a bunch of them, then you don't want to do that. I'm going to tie this in a knot, and I have it tied again at the very end. So I'm just going to double knot this so that the bead doesn't slide up. And then I double knotted the very end of it so that you have a little hanger. And next, I'm just going to add these little florals, which you'll get in your kit also. And how absolutely adorable did this turn out? I think it is so cute. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in this kit, it's a limited amount and the link will be in the comments.